Our Tobii eye tracker tracks the movement of your eyes. This is brand new, industry standard equipment and software which can capture eye movements at 1200 times a second. It's used to track the path of gaze or focus when you're looking at an object and can even spot the smallest microsaccades. Areas of fixation are indicated by the red dot, and the dot grows the longer the fixation lasts. Using this equipment, we can gain insight into aspects of human behavior that are not explicit, in that they can't be expressed or known, but the eyes don't lie. We've used this to explore a number of areas. So for example, when selecting food in the supermarket, do we focus on brand, ingredients, size of portion, the health messages, and the traffic light systems? How are judgments about attractiveness and body size made? And what aspects of gambling advertising draw the attention of children? So how big or bright or bold a message is, and then how does that relate to the urge to gamble? We also have Tobii eye tracking glasses, which can be used to gather data in the real world. These are extremely accurate and allow the wearer to interact naturally with the world that is around them. This can help us to shed light on how people interact with their environment, what catches their attention, drives their behavior, or influences their decision-making. It does this on the move by capturing and recording the scene, as well as what the eyes gaze upon in that scene. Researchers at USW have used these glasses in projects looking at things like how health messages on alcohol products are used in making decisions about what to buy. Factors such as price and brand appear to be extremely important, but despite participants being in favor of health messages, they appear to have very little impact on decision making.